I'm going to show you how to replace the brake pedal position sensor in my 2011 Chevy Cruze. This is the engine light I have on, P057C. This is the part you'll need. This is a 6-pin. You might get confused with a 3-pin out there. This is the part number. I got this from the dealership. It was 16. I talked them down to 10 because I showed them it was 6 on Amazon. At our brake pedal, we're going to look up, and you can see plastic clip there. We're going to go ahead and unplug this, get the wire out of the way. So on the back of the switch, there's a 7mm bolt. You can see it. It's in the center of the screen right now. Just try to work that out, and then we'll pull out the sensor. All right, got it out. That 7mm bolt was a bit of a pain. Now, when you put the new one in, it's going to go up. It's going to go up in the clip here, and then it's actually going to push back. It sits in there like this. Then when you apply your brake, that's where it senses the travel, like so. You can see that bolt still in there. That did not want to come out. It just kind of stayed. See, we got our bolt and our pin lined up. I put the clip back in. You can see how that pin lines up in there. It's gonna be, you're gonna have to use both hands. It's a very tight fit. When you push it back in, the pin slides in here. It's gonna come down like this. You gotta try to get that bolt to go and start in there and just hand screw it. Just make it hand tight. Fired it up, engine light turned off, brake lights work. All right, it's been a month. The engine light has not come back on, so we're good to go. Now, when I was at the dealership, I talked to them about recalibrating the sensor. If you don't have any problems, you don't need to do it. Just make sure your brake light comes on. And also, one of the features of this position sensor is when you're at stopped at like a light, the transmission will actually shift into neutral. So if you ever notice, if you're on a slight hill and you just have your brake pushed in a little bit, if your car rolls backwards while you're in drive, but as soon as you let off the brake the rest of the way, it'll kick in and start going, that feature is also working. If you're able to check those, make sure it's good, then you don't need to be recalibrated. If for some reason you do need to be recalibrated, that's about $50 for them to use the scan tool at the dealership. All right, I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe. If you got a question, leave it in the comments below. Thank you.